Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about a stock which can easily double from the current price. So before going into the analysis, the whole fundamental and the technical analysis, we're going to combine the fundamental and the technicals. Before going into that, standard disclaimer: I'm not a SEBI registered analyst, and any stock discussed here is not a buy or sell recommendation. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any trade. So let's get right into the techno funda analysis, and the name of the stock is, as you can see on the screen, is Ashok Leland. So why do I think it can double from here? I'm gonna explain with few data points with the help of the chart and the financials of the company why I think it can easily double from here. So let's start our analysis. So this is the monthly log chart. I'm using the log chart because on monthly scale it's it's always good to use log charts. Okay, so this is the monthly chart of Ashok Leland. As you can see, it has been moving in a parallel channel from the beginning, around from 1999 when it was listed. It has been moving in a channel steadily, like going up and down, up and down, up and down, like this, moving in a channel. So what basically is a channel is, as you can see, this site Investopedia, you can go here if you want to know about any terms related to stock market or technical or fundamental anything. So what basically a channel is, the upper trend line connects the swing highs in price while the lower trend line connects the swing lows. The channel can be slant upwards, downwards, or sideways on the chart. So what does it say? The upper trend line connects the swing highs, as you can see here, swing highs. We can draw a trend line. As you can see, I've drawn this trend line, and the lower trend line connects the swing lows. As you can see, this is our typical channel. So as you can see, it has been moving in a channel. It went up, it went up, it came down, again went up, consolidated, again went up, came down, again went up, again came down, again went up, and still facing resistance at the same level, and again came down. So right now, where we are right now, as you can see, we are currently in the middle of the channel. As you can see here, around the previous high, where we are very near to the previous high. So if we take a look at it completely from a technical view, as you can see, if we follow the channel, so it's given that after making a low, touching the low trend line, it can easily go up and it will face resistance, some resist around this level. That is the upper trend line. So let's connect few financial data points with the chart and see what can happen. As you can see, this site is greener. If you want to get the financial data of any company, you can go here. So first, the market cap is around 42,000 crore and the current price is 145 rupees. As you can see, the financial doesn't look really impressive. ROE of 5% and ROC of 5% and ROE of minus 2.11%, and very huge debt that has grown. 3 years back it was around 15,700 and now it has grown to 24,000 crore, and the 3 year sales growth is negative, and the low operating profit margins and all. So currently all of this looks very negative, but it is due to the whole COVID situation. As you can see here, from 2014 to 2019, the revenue grown from 11,800 crore to 33,000 crore, and as you can see, back then it was loss making, and from minus 164 crore to it made a profit of 2000 crore. And then the pandemic hit in March 2020, and the whole auto industry was already very not in a very good place, and the sales started declining. As you can see, here's a data point. As you can see, the from 2009 to 20, the so Ashok Leyland mainly operates in medium and heavy commercial vehicles, mainly buses and trucks. So you can see the data point of the whole industry it declined from 40,000, this total heavy and medium and heavy commercial vehicle buses. The sale declined from 40,000 to 7,000. You can see 81% drop, and in the truck segment also from 1,84,000 to 1,53,000. So it was a given that it would also impact Ashok Leyland. As you can see here, the revenue declined, and in 2021 it made a loss. So let's study this region from 2014 to and 2019 and see what happened with the stock. As you can see, if we mark this, the beginning of 2000, this Jan 2014 to uh, mid of something 2018, stock almost went up 900 something percent, from the low of 15 rupees to around 154, around 160 rupees. It was a gain of 996%. So why did something like that happen? As you can see, the sales were around 11,800 crore back in 2014, then they improved to 15,700, then 21,000, 22,800, 29,000, and then 33,000. As you can see, a consistent, very good at the sales started growing at very fast pace. Similarly, the operating profit. Look at the, this is very interesting. Look at the operating profit margin from 4% back in 2014 to 14%. So that leads to better profitability, as you can see here, from the loss of 164% to the profit of 2000 crore. The loss of 164 crore to profit of 2000 crore. Along with that, as you can see, the share price also went up 900, almost 1000% from 15 rupees to 160 rupees. And after that, it started declining because of the whole auto sector was also in a slumpy mood, and the mid caps and small caps were in a bear market. And then it made a low at this, the channel bottom, which was our technical channel bottom, in March 2020, and after that it has been rising consistently, as you can see here. So let's go down to weekly chart and see what is going on right now. As you can see, it was in a consolidation in a broader range, from around a range of like 30-40 rupees, from 139 to 106, around 35-40 rupees. It was trading in this range, and last week it broke this range. It finally broke this range. You can also give it a name, a cup and handle kind of pattern, and now it looks ready. It can do something like this. It can consolidate a bit, or it can retest the breakout level and then head up again. Because the if we look at the current trend, the June quarter was also hit due to the lockdown, and the sales were low, and it again made a loss. But look at what happened after the June 2020, when the sales started to recover. It went from 3,000 crore to 5,900 to 8,000 crore, and it started recovering. So if there is no third wave, then it can easily recover. As you can see from the financials also, it can easily recover, and the stock and stock is also performing good, and this is the previous all-time high level of 167%. And once it crosses this level and the sales start to pick up and the financial gets better, it can easily reach the channel top, as you can see here. So right now it gave the cup and handle breakout on the weekly chart, and let's go down to daily chart, and it's just consolidating from last 2-3 days. As I told you, it can consolidate here, or it can go down and test this level and then head up again. So this was the small techno funda analysis of Ashok Leyland, where we combined the chart with the financials. So I'm very positive on this, and if there is no third wave and things things go smoothly, it can easily reach 300 rupees, and that is almost double from the current price. So it to me, it provides a good risk reward ratio at the current price. So thank you for watching the video, and if you enjoyed the video and learned something, please consider hitting the like button. Uh, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take care.